I bought both the cheek and the lip from Gwen Stefani's line, and the shade is Bouquet. So let's do the cheek first. It's a liquid blush. Like most of them, it has the little doe foot applicator. We're going to do a couple little dots. It's not as pigmented as, for instance, Rare Beauty. So you can kind of pat a little more on, which I like because it's just more forgiving. This is a really pretty peachy, pinky, slightly coral undertone, super soft, like a watercolor. This is the gloss in the matching shade. Now, this is definitely a thicker gloss. It has some grip to it. Like a MAC lip gloss, you know what I mean? It's not sticky, but it's there. All right, so this is the first time I've used both of these products, and let me just break it down. I actually really like that the blush is more forgiving than many of these other cream blushes, because I find you often put it on and then you can barely get it rubbed in. This you can layer. It gives you great color payoff, but it's very easy to use, very forgiving, very beginner friendly. The lip gloss, I do like the color. I love that they match because it makes it really easy for most people to have a really beautiful, harmonious look, but it is sticky. You can see. I mean, it's a gloss that has a little bit of stick. So if you're a fan of that, I would try it. If you don't like a kind of gloss, maybe just get the blush.